Hi dear friends, nice to see you. Yes, today I want to introduce the shoes Wolf Grey of Air Jordan 12. Yes. Okay, now see the box. Yeah. Okay, here the label. Yes. Air Jordan 12. Retro. Yes. And the size 11. Okay, the color Wolf Grey. Yes. And something other details. Okay, now let me open the shoes. Get out the shoes. Yeah. Wow. How good look it is, right? Yes. Wow. Some special one. Yes. Okay, now let's turn to the detail. Yes. Okay. About the shoe length. Yes. Cringing curl. Yes. And the shoe tongue. Yes. Picture of Jordan. Yes. And here 2, 3. Yes. We know this is classical number of Michael Jordan's shirt, right? Yes. And about the side parts, yes. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. 4 lengths, yes. And here, this strap, yes. Some like Japanese national flag, right? Yes. It said that the inspiration of the designer comes from Japanese national flag. Yes. Okay, also here the grave wolf parts. Yes. Okay, some like ghost high heel shoes, right? Yes. Okay, and about the shoe surface material. Yes. Okay. About the white one. Yes. Use next ski. Yes. Okay. And the wolf gray parts. Yes. It's on softer because it use color. Yes. Okay. See the inside parts of the shoes here. Yeah. Also the label. Yes. How about it? Let me see. Yes. Size 11. Yes. Made in China. Yes. And something other detail. Okay. About the shoe inside. Yes. Okay. Here is painting of Jordan. Yes. Okay. About the shoe high heel. Yes. Here Olympia. Yes. And Jordan. Yes. And here 23. Okay, now let's get to the shoes bottle. Yeah. In the top parts, also Jordan picture. Yes. And here a little 23. Yes. And the special one line in here. Yeah. You hear? Yeah. This is carbon fiber material. Yes. Yeah. Okay. Let's get to the shoes once again. Our look is so nice, right? Yes. I think every man will like it, right? Yes. Okay. Have you get something from my introduction? Yes. Just connect me. Yes. Okay. See you. Bye.